We interrupt so Windows Ben 10 season for a Bluda die Barney.
He dead by Trouge from Friday the Funkin'.
No turn off chances or chances take off. Oh, I see. Turns off your Windows Ben 10. Don't turns off the Cheerios. If you do, turns off and see what's on happens. That's it, the last Cheerios of one. If you turns off the Cheerios, then I will turn into a evil mode XD. Hey, could you please stop laughing, everyone? OMG 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 OMG.
It's Lodging punishment that's ITU grounds for 666 years and
Judgment punishment that's IT. If you turns off, then you've seen what happens next. Now stop.
Ben